Hello, welcome back to the tvONE Training Academy studio. In this short series of videos, we'll be looking at dynamic mode for CORIOview. Dynamic mode adds a whole bunch of new tools to this great little unit that has up to 8 inputs in half 1 RU. When you log in with CORIOgrapher software to your CORIOview, this is the first message you get, and you get a chance to choose between classic mode, that's the mode that it comes shipped in, or dynamic mode. So literally select dynamic mode and then restart the unit. I've done this already to save a bit of time, but it doesn't take any time at all. There's several areas here you need to see. So home is where I log in. Dashboard shows me my view of the number of participants I have, the presets I have available, and people I can bring to full screen. At the moment, I have my PC full screen behind me. Each of these sources, which are shown here, the letters A to F, and bear in mind I have a 6 input system here, and I could have up to 8. Each of them has a little toggle here, which allows me to show settings for each of these. This first one is an AVIP module, so that's A and B, and then these are all sources. So to select a source, it's dead easy. I just click through the sources I have here. Now, if I want to create some settings, so for example, I'm going to come through to my PC here. First of all, you can see it's picked up some information about my system, tells me which slot it's on. I can give it a label. So in this case, I'm going to call it Mark's laptop. As I create that, you see it appears on the interface, and I can turn it on behind me on the screen. I'll go off after a few seconds because we're in full screen mode. Now, all of these could have labels along there. If I open up down here, you can see the input type, my color scale, some simple brightness and contrast controls if I have a number of sources and I want to make sure they look similar. You can see I've got HDCP enabled, and there's another number of other settings in there, including audio level and muting. That's also available here as well, and I'll look at muting and cutting to black in a future video. So that is on the input side, and I could set those settings for all of these. If I come to the output side, I just click up here at the top. So this is my output. So I've got a 4K output. It's outputting at 4K at the moment. And I have some other general settings down here. So the color scale, I've got an auto. That tends to work pretty much 99% of the time, but there's choices under there if I need it. I've got my HDCP mode in here and hold on, which is perfect for this type of application, and then some simple color correction. But essentially, CORIOview will sort out most of this for you. So you just turn it on and it sorts out all the scaling for you. Please watch the other videos in this series. In future videos, I'm going to show you how to set the auto preset function, how that works, and I'll also be showing you how we switch sources. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.